Hi friends, welcome back. In today's section, we are going to solve one assignment where we have employee visit check-in data with duplicate records. In this, we have to extract only unique cases with dates. So for example, if in today's date, if employee has 3 check-ins or 2 check-ins, in that we have to extract today's first check-in only. So this is our task. Let's start. First, we will take date column. So here we have to bring date only from this data in text format. So text value perfect. So our date column is ready. Next, first we have to check how many records are there. For this we will check with one column, duplicate check. Count if, select the range and select the name. Let's check how many cases are there. Okay, this employee Ramesh has checked 3 times on 21st June and on 22nd June 2 times. So in this data, we have to extract on that day first check-in. So for example, if we select 21st day, first check-in was 1:47 a.m. Likewise, we have to extract in all columns. Let's see. So we can remove this column. This is not required. Okay. So date column is okay. Here we will write first check-in. Okay. On particular date. We will use minimum if s function here. So minimum range, we have to select this check-in data column, comma, criteria range, employee name column, comma, employee name, comma, date column, comma, and date. Select the date. Okay, close. So let's change the format. See here, for example, we will select Ramesh. On 21st day, first check-in was 1:47 a.m. Check here. This is first check-in only. So now we have to compare this result with this check-in. If these both are same, then it's a unique. Otherwise, false. In these cases, it will come as false. So we will create another column here, unique. Okay, equals, select this check-in, equals, and then this check-in. Press enter. See here, on 21st day, 1:47 a.m. in both columns, same data, so it resulted as true, otherwise false. if you check on 22nd day, first check-in was 8:43, second check-in was 18:23. So first one was true. So 90% of our work is completed here. So from this, there are two options to extract this data. If you have very low cases, then manually you can select and copy this data. If you have multiple rows, then the task is not complete here. So here we can use the help of Power Query. So first select any cell in the table, then click on data, click on from table range. A window will open. Here, just go to the last column, select true only, and then select two columns, employee name, press Control button and select this check-in. Only two columns. Click on remove columns, remove others. It means it will keep these two columns only and will remove all other columns. Perfect. Now here we will do ascending. Perfect. And click close and load to. Now click on existing worksheet. Click here and press OK. Excellent. So total how many records we have received? 31 out of 50. Here you can change layouts as per your requirement, and our task is completed. Excellent. Now whenever any data, if you receive any data here, just copy and paste and then click on this table, right click and refresh. Within seconds it will get a refresh data. Perfect. Hope you understood this section. If you have any doubts or queries, as always, you can use the comment box. Thank you for your valuable time. Bye.